Hi guys, this is Saurav. In this video, we are going to create simple attendance system app. Okay, so we are not going to store the data in our app here. We will send the data to our owner, to our teacher or something like that. So let's see how to do this. That's very easy and simple concept. Okay, very easy. So let's see. So first we see the example here. So see, that's the app here. You can use one text box here to put your name also. I'm going to click on presenter and you will redirect to the camera. You have to take picture of your computer or yourself and just take a picture, right? Wait some second and you will see here right option, click on it and you will redirect in this option. So I'm going to send it you by using WhatsApp. Click on my WhatsApp and I'm going to send it to my, see here, that's my picture, that's the date here, 31st 5th 2020 and the timing is 21:05. Here we go. We need to click on start new project. That's my project name is attendance system. Okay, click on OK. Dashboard. Now what we will do, we are going to take one simple layout here. Okay, and that one is simple, this one horizontal and you can make it vertical also, anyone, and just make this one should be full parent and make this one is also full parent. Now we are going to drag and drop one button. Okay, and now here I'm to make this one go to the vertical arrangement and make this center and make this one also center. Now I'm going to change the background color of this, make it orange. Now click on button and I'm going to change this text color should be white and background color I'm going to make it something this, and I'm going to change this shape to rounded like this and here like presenter and just make it 20. Okay, now what we will do, we are going to drag and drop a lot of things. Like first thing is time picker, second one is date picker, third one is camera, so you will get in media camera, and another one is sharing option. So you will get in a social, go to the social and you will see a sharing. Just drag and drop this and click on this timer and make this visible off. Click on date picker and make this one also visible off. Fine, now that's the design of our app. Now go to the block and whenever someone click on the button one, okay, so we will call the camera like this, and after taking the picture, okay, so click on camera and you will see the after taking the picture we have to share our image. Okay, so you will see here call sharing file with message, it means file and message. So which file we have to send, which file we have to send, that one what we have taken from our app, that one. And second one is I'm going to take one text and you will see a join, drag and drop this, and here we need to use one more string and there are a lot of string we need to use here. So let's see, I'm going to drag and drop. Okay, fine. Now so with this picture we have to send the timing and the date. Okay, so what we will do, we are going to use here time picker. Okay, no, first date picker, and you will see here get the day here and like this get a day, and I'm going to use here one text, that one is day is, and this column here like this, that's the day, and just copy and paste this one like 2 times, so make it like this and make this one day to month. Okay, this one, and this one it should be year like this, and copy and paste this 3 times, so like here like this, and here like this one here. Now we have to send timing also. Okay, now again it's string, take string, take string, take more strings like this, and click on the timer picker, and we have to get the timer of hour and the minute. Okay, so I'm going to take one more string here. Okay, and I need a more string for that. Like if I just take a R and copy this like this, and I'm going to take 1 minute also, at what time I have reached my office or my college or something. So I'm going to use here hour and minute. So where is minute? Minute. Fine. So I'm going to make this one is pretty simple, hour and minute, and make this separate from the like dots like this. So okay, and just this. So that's very easy. Now we're just going to test this. Okay, so see, that's the app here. I'm going to click on presenter, and you will redirect to the camera. You have to take picture of your computer or yourself and just take a picture, right? Wait some second, and you will see here right option. Click on it, and you will redirect in this option. So I'm going to send it you by using WhatsApp. Click on my WhatsApp, and I'm going to send it to my this here. That's my picture. That's the date here, 31st 5th 2020, and the timing is 21:05. You can extend this app. Okay, you can store this data in the like where you can store this data. You can store this data in Cloud TV and somewhere, but you cannot store data. You cannot store picture in the Cloud TV because there is some limitation in MIT App Inventor. So you should you have to use another server for that, and you can, and if you don't want to store the image, so you can just store the some simple information. Okay, so that's very easy way to create an attendance app. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you have any doubt, you can ask me in comment. Please subscribe my channel, like this video, share this video. Have a nice day. Be safe. Bye bye.